In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column in Microsoft Loop. Whether you're new to Microsoft Loop or need a quick refresher, follow along as we go through these straightforward steps to enhance your table layouts. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Loop. Once you're on the official website, take a moment to sign in with your Microsoft account. Ensuring you're logged in will give you access to all your saved work and allow you to make the necessary changes to your Loop components. Now, once you're signed in, navigate to the Loop component that includes the table where you want to add a new column. This step is crucial, as it sets the stage for where your changes will be made. So, take your time to ensure you have the right component open. Look for the table and pay close attention to the column headers. You're going to want to select the header either immediately to the left or to the right of where you intend to add your new column. This action serves as the anchor point for your insertion, letting Microsoft Loop understand where the new space should open up. Depending on your preference for layout and data organization, you have a couple of options for inserting the new column. If you prefer to have it appear on the left side of your selected header, you'll choose Insert Left from the available table layout options. This is perfect when you want the new information to be recorded right before the current column, perhaps to add supplementary data or reorder your table for better readability. On the other hand, if your goal is to add the column to the right-hand side, simply select Insert Right. This is handy when appending related data after the current set of information, or perhaps when expanding on a category within your existing table setup. And there you have it. Adding new columns to your tables in Microsoft Loop is a simple yet powerful way to organize and enhance your data presentations. This flexibility ensures you can modify your tables to suit changing needs, all without hassle. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to experiment with these steps across different Loop components to become more comfortable and efficient. That wraps up our tutorial on adding columns in Microsoft Loop. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your software tools. See you next time.